my bagels with lox, cream cheese, onions and capers, jalapenos, tomatoes, squeeze a lemon juice maybe. Toast that bitch for a minute, don't wanna overdo it. Then plate that bitch and eat it up, I swear it tastes like music. See, I grunt with no prejudice, if it's tasty I like it. You could grill or deep fry it, serve it raw shit, I'll try it. Picky eaters, get out my face, you can't sit at my table. If it come from a kitchen, then bitch I'm willing and able. Shit, deviled eggs, fried chicken, great leaf doma, salt and vinny, udon noodles, wilted spinach, British crumpets, mignon fillets, or filet. Don't correct me bitch, that's just the way I say. Marmalade, truffle glaze, baby rays, lemonade, chocolate mousse, mango juice, turkey wraps from Trader Joe's. I ain't playing with you hoes, I smell bacon in my nose. I love garlic naan, papaya salad, pork bombies and matzo balls. Hipster chicks be spilling yerba mate on their overalls. Curtains from the brisket, sandwiches packed for a picnic. Hostess donuts from Valero, fuck a yelping foodie critic. I like chili from the can, preferably with no beans, and pretentious vegetables like radish and microgreens. I like chips when they flaming hot, tostadas and otter pops, ceviche, tonkatsu and 83 kinds of hot sauce. Arugula salad with goat cheese crumbles and steak. If you lay it in front of me, I'ma clean the whole plate. Bitch, I grub. Grub.